Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm doing an update here for everybody on Forex. Today was a little bit of a shift. We made the call back in April that the dollar was breaking out, and we talked about a little bit this week, but last week that maybe we were going to see a bit of a tone shift and a directional change as far as most of that trade being over. It's been the best place to be, global macro long dollars. Other than maybe long treasuries and long gold most recently, and short tech. And but as far as FX goes, being long the dollar, we've liked that for a while. And I just want to give an update. A couple of things have changed that are new directionally, and then also some of you are asking me. I haven't really touched on this in a while. We've been pretty focused on futures, but I do have a SimpleTrader account, which is a live signal that's set up with my my FX PA account. So it's US based, and it copycats all of my trades on FX. And I've been mostly trading euro yen, Aussie versus dollar. We've been staying away from cable because I just got sick of all the Brexit headlines. But you guys, if you wanna, some of you were asking about joining that. If you just go to, I'll put the link below on the YouTube channel. But you just go to SimpleTrader. This is the link right here. You can also come into the chat room, ask me. I'll send you this link, and it's as simple as just coming over here, copy trade. It takes a little bit to set up with your MetaTrader. But these guys have good customer support. I can help you get linked up. And then the technology is just amazing. I mean, it's so seamless. We run it through VPS, so it just runs overnight automatically. Any signal I take, it just automatically executes. So I always recommend people don't follow me one for one, but set up on a demo first to get the feel for the size and the risk, and then maybe do like a 4-to-1 or 3-to-1. Meaning if I take $100,000 position, nominal position, you're getting in at 30,000 lot. So, but anyway, we can talk about that. Maybe I'll do another video. I just wanted to let you guys know that that's available, and it's only $150 a month, and you're basically copying my trading. So we're going to trade a lot more FX. This to start the year, we're doing about a 79% win percentage. All my stats are here on my FX book. So yeah, we're gonna ramp that up, and then directionally, this is talk about what's going on. There's two new things that have happened this week. First of all, against the major pairs, dollar yen has been bearish dollar versus the yen going back since the middle of December. Here, we broke the bands, we rolled over. This was a huge flash crash in the yen. Was it last week already? I guess it was last week. That was a pretty extraordinary move. But this trend is still bearish, and the yen is breaking out when you look at the other pairs. So we're still very much yen bullish. But notice the dollar is bearish here. Today, we finally broke above 115. We've kind of warned about that, and we've been, again, in this trend since back here in April when the bands broke, and we've said this was the start of a major global macro bullish dollar call that we've had. And I think that's going to change now, at least for the intermediate term for sure. We'll kind of reevaluate if we get back to 117, 118, but I think that's the move now. You know, we'll retest 116. We'll see what the bulls have in store there. But really, in our model, we're probably going back to pi and complete a full pi cycle. That's like 117.80, call it 118. So that's new today. And so I covered my course short. I'm actually a little bit long now. The euro feels weird, first time in a long while. I don't like what's going on in the EU for a long time. I think Europe's a mess, financially speaking. So I've always been pretty bearish and quick to short the euro, but it is what it is. That's new. It has a lot to do with the market looking forward and Fed maybe pricing in a dovish Fed, blah, blah, blah. Dollar Swissy, this is new also. So it's technically broke the bands here to start the end of the year. into the end of the year and start the year, but really now we broke below pi. So this just went, Swissy just went bullish versus the dollar also. So maybe we were going to retest the lows from back here in September. Okay, that's new. So Euro versus Swissy is new. Cable versus the dollar. Cable is actually still bearish there versus the dollar, so we don't have that on the long side versus the dollar yet. And dollar CAD is actually, I'd rather be bullish dollars versus CAD here after this move down it's had, and this is technically still on an uptrend. I know we're breaking the bands. It's just, this isn't something that I would say went bullish versus the dollar. It's been, I'd rather be long dollars here versus CAD. So no change there. And then, what's the other one I'm missing? Aussie versus the dollar. Aussie's still very much bearish. It's been in this nasty downtrend all year. Had a little bit of a pop back to the 200 and went right back to bearish. And that still hasn't broken the band. So you're kind of mixed, but the dollar's starting to weaken. And you can see it versus the euro. It's been weak versus the yen. And now we've got the Swissy that it's also weak. So I think that's pretty significant. I wanted to highlight it. And then you guys know what positions we're in overnight. If you don't know, come join our chat, JenkinsRM.com. JenkinsRM.com. It's free to come into our chat room. You can see what we're about. We have several paid private rooms where I'm giving signals on bonds, commodities, crypto, whatever's moving, whatever's trading. That's $100 a month. But all our services are right here. I'm going to start putting analysis on the blog also. But basically 2 membership levels, real-time alerts. Okay, that's me signaling on your phone anything that we're doing, the model's spitting back. It's a couple dozen trades a day. And then our live room, this includes the real-time alerts, and it's $200 a month. We trade together every day live, calling out real trades, doing analysis, taking real risk. Trading the Dow, we're trading long bonds, we're trading gold, we're trading Forex. And then these are my 2 training courses. One's just on the model, my directional model. This one includes the options segment. And then I have a coaching mentorship program. This is the best value. You basically get the live room, you get the trading on the course, and then I actually work with you individually in a group setting, and we work on you as a trader. Psychology of trading, the model, risk management, what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. It's a very intimate setting, and that's kind of my elite group that I work with. That's that, guys. Hope you have a great night. We'll catch you in the morning.